Come test drive the 2007 Tundra. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, driver illuminated vanity mirror, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find keyless entry, premium sound system, steering wheel audio controls, security system, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, trip computer, power outlet, power door locks, power windows. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.